Hello and welcome. This is Waleed with you from VAUSNET. Today we are bringing you a website again, and we will be analyzing what is the drawback and what's falling apart. And this website is Mac Tools Co. from Dubai. They're into retails and wholesale dealers and manufacturers. Okay, it doesn't actually connect with what they really do. A wide range of power solutions. So power can be energy or storage or backup or batteries. Let's see. So Mac Power building material and equipment trading. So the first disconnect is here. Power solution, then retail and wholesale, and then we have this building material and equipment trading. So equipment trading, and then we have quite a lot of text over here, and we have a picture for from Dubai. That is a good thing. Then we have about us, which is again quite lengthy. About is a good thing, but if you can actually shorten it up and tell a story, stories actually sell, and in stories, of course, we can add quite a lot of what actually made this company come into existence, what was the reason. So the menu that we have over here is quite minimal, it's quite lean, slim. And if you go into learn more, let's see what do we have in learn more. No, we don't have anything. We have contact us, and then we have about us. Our vision is simple. Okay, I'm not reading it because it just takes away my interest and focus. Our values, okay, fine, okay. Our quality policy, we are dedicated to providing customers, okay. Again, cliche. Sorry to say, because I'm also promoting this website on one side, but I will also be promoting really some attractive, good designs for websites. Market segment, defense, automotive, transport. Okay, fine. I'm not. Okay, I'm not interested because I'm not coming from this industry, right? And the products we supply, again, text, no pictures, and categories of materials, power tools, hand tools. Again, too much details. Again, this is done for SEO, not for customers. Okay, access and material handling. Okay, too much text. Our brands: Panasonic, Makita, Kärcher, DeWalt, stay in touch. Sure. Yeah. And this too doesn't have a hyperlink activated. Mac Tools Co. This is the URL is indicated over here, is integrated over here. Twitter again, it's just the website again, and this is again an empty. Social symbols are being used. 2024 Mac Tools and is a building material equipment trading company. Again, this is pretty much SEO intensive. Seems it's done, it's SEO friendly, but not for the customers, not for the visitors like us. Opposite Al Khalij Metal Coating, Al Quds Industrial Area, Mac Tools Co. Info at www. Oh no, this is not done right. Okay, we have um, mobile numbers over here. We don't have any WhatsApp connectivity, so I doubt someone would really check this place if there is an inquiry landing up in the inboxes. Okay, so uh, what is next? We can actually we can actually explore, and for exploring, we'll actually go and see hardware tools website templates, and let's see the templates over here. So right now we're getting 30% off as well. You can take that offer and take the advantage, the leverage. 410 web templates, oh my god. So you can use the affiliate link that will be posted in the details of this video. Okay, we have computer storage and software Shopify theme. That's for $74. We don't need that right now. Tooltery, this good, looks good. This is for $69, and you should be getting 30% off on this. Unlimited downloads with 30% off. Only 3 days are left, and this is a good thing. Okay, I don't want to chat right now, miss. I just want to promote this in another 5 or 6 minutes. Hardcom PrestaShop, no. Modern Electronics, no. Electronics Store, no. Computer Shop, no. Device, No. iStore Electronics? No. Techno Power? Um, no. Computer store responsive? No. So what you are actually getting is just one theme. Let me just get into the live demo, and that live demo of the website will actually be very attractive because I believe Template Monster updates their templates every now and there is an ocean of designers and templates everywhere. Now look how it actually comes up. It has a landing page as well. Okay, you can change this. Of course, it will be on WordPress. Okay, this is a WooCommerce responsive theme. WooCommerce. Okay, so you can run your e-commerce as well. And Natasha just rate 5 star. So you have this facility as well. I really doubt this because people, this is again getting too much cliche that if you have something like this, is just like pushing the customers just too much over the cliff, over the edge. So yes, we have a slider over here. It looks good. Power tools. This is what Mac Tools Co is doing, and get express home delivery. Very nice. And this is how you should show. Yeah, real life imagery. I can feel it. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, recommended products. Yes, this is again a pop-up, and you can actually time it whenever I take it over here. When I'm trying to exit the page, it just pops up with a flash pop-up, and it shows me the tool so I can actually grab some of the best deals over here. So this template is really talking. This template is really talking. You can show your tools, you can display your prowess, your experience, and you can also do SEO as well. Our company VAUSNET is into digital marketing, off page, on page, both, and we also do the keyword research also. So you can add in your customer reviews as well on your pretty much on the same page, on the front page. And this is a one page website, and this could also be your primary landing page, right? And this of course uh, showcases your products all in one place. You have sliders over here, and then pretty much, I mean, it's quite rich, it's quite loaded, and then you have quite a lot of options. You can add more of services over here and blogs over here. You can talk about the projects that are going on right now, the technology that is being used, what companies you're actually dealing with, and what product lines do you have, and that can be shown over here in the blogs, because that will add to your SEO and your principal. Your distributors will also add up, and they will get noticed and alerted as well. You can show what companies you're representing with this footer that is over here. Get the latest update, yes, of course. And this is how your footer level will be displayed. And design shop, again, I have quite a lot of categories over here. I can add my own, and then we can also splash and display the arrivals and the offers that we have. And the categories, again, this is again very richly loaded and populated. Products we have, that's very nice. Again, that's again a very slider that you can use. Top deals, pretty nice, because this is e-commerce, so you can actually combine your business and e-commerce together. And combining e-commerce and your business, of course, adds to the ranking of your website. And that ranking for Dubai region, for the Middle East region, of course, will bring you quite a lot of audience. And then we have some more menus that can be calibrated, that can be modified to the choice of your business requirements. So this was the desktop version. I can also show you the tablet version as well. This is how the tablet version will look to your customers, and this is a good thing. And that too again has the provision, pretty much the space, and they are using the space very intelligently to showcase your products. And your products can be displayed quite very well. Okay, and this is something I believe will work as a business weaponry. Okay, so this was what we can actually have, and let's go over and see how it looks on the mobile. Again, it's quite slim, everything is in place, it's responsive, and pretty much it's working. It's working, and it'll work on every type of medium, be it mobile, tablet, or the desktop or the laptops. It'll work quite well. If you talk about integration with payment gateways, that too is very easy through API integrations. We can also do that. Our company is into technology, into websites, into e-commerce, and into ERP. we can deal with that pretty well, pretty easily. So that was that, and that was again one critique of a website that we have just picked at random, and you can have a template. The link of this template will be given in the description of the video. And that was it for today. Have a great day ahead. We'll be back again for more. Bye bye.